Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I think we have a particularly interesting knife to unbox. I was unsure about what this was, but then it dawned on me, and I realized this is Olight's new weird thing. There's a new weird material in here, and I'm really interested to check it out. I don't know what the third one is, so there's probably going to be a couple of mysteries here. Anyways, I'll link this where I can. I think that if it is what I'm thinking that it is, I think it's in Kickstarter. So I'll link that or any other appropriate links in the description. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's up to you. All right. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. Let's find out what the heck we have going on here. I believe at least these first two things are Ken Onion designs. Let me pop that open. Yeah, the Zen OAL. Okay, so we got the black one. Oh, look, it comes with stuff, coins and things. Let me get this coin out of here. It's there we go. I'm sure that there was a better way to do that, but I'm not going to. So, okay, yeah, you get an exclusive coin. That's neat. And then what is this? Extra hardware. Okay. What do we have? I'm going to call this I guess the OA. It's the Zen, and then the material is OAL. So I don't know exactly what this material is, but it's supposed to be 1.7 or so times stronger than aluminum, and apparently pretty scratch resistant. So yeah, it feels pretty good. I don't think that this is a hyper expensive item. What is the blade steel? Does it say? Oh, CPM S35VN, or wait. Is it S45VN? Hold on. Enhancing. It is, in fact, S45VN. That's pretty cool. We need one. Sorry. Technology. Okay. Yeah, Metal Complex 2024. Okay. This apparently is pretty durable and pretty scratch resistant. Let's get the other one out. I'd like to see if this is... I'm almost certain what the other one looks like here. And I think it's a little bit more colorful, which is... yeah. So this is the one that I was hoping to take a look at. I do like that. I like that texturing a lot. That's really cool. This sort of three-dimensional pyramid or triangle texturing has quickly become one of my favorite texture patterns. I get a thing about continuous patterns. I don't know why it's such a pleasing thing to me, but I've always loved the diamond pattern, and I got to say this is something that I very much visually enjoy. I like that a lot. I also like the general milling on this. The pocket clip is a bit long for me. I don't like that little bill there, but I do like the color combos here. So I was trying to figure out what the heck Melissa was doing on her Instagram, where she was like dropping knives on the ground, and I was like, what kind of test is this? And then I realized that was the stuff that was boasted as, a lot tougher. Now, her tests, while not incredibly scientific on their own, are definitely going to be more scientific than the test that I'm going to do today. Since she, marked up the bronze one, she didn't want to mark up the black one, I'll test the black one. Does it resist being marked up at all? Wow, it did it did substantially better than I thought. I didn't think that it would hold up at all. That hardly did anything to it. I mean, it left a couple of marks right there, but man, I thought this would be immediately visible. Like, I hit it pretty hard, right? I thought that that's crazy. Jesus, it even... Not really. It left some super light scuffs. Okay, that's pretty neat. Obviously not the best test. That just did not go at all the way that I thought. I really thought there's no way. I mean, that really hardly did anything to it. That's pretty cool. These are definitely smooth. The flipper tab is a little bit sharp. A little bit. Not bad, though. As far as... Where does this land? Nope. It does hit your thumb right before there would be double clutch. So right before, not quite. So this is strong enough that you can make a frame lock out of it. It does require a steel lock bar insert, but I guess because it's harder and maybe more rigid, you get a little bit more lock bar tension out of it. Did they do a good job? Yeah. Yep, that's fine. I know you guys always cringe when I don't, safety first, right? I'll put a glove on to punch a knife, but when it comes to testing, the lockup, I don't need gloves. Okay, what is this? What is this? This is not a review. Obviously, this would be a terrible review. Just an unboxing and first impressions. Obviously, we have something a little bit more premium. Okay. Oh, Arkfeld Ultra. I don't know why I'm acting like I can't read that. It's just not a word that I see a lot. What? Is this it must be a flashlight, surely. Yeah, okay. Hold on a second. Okay, that makes sense. I always forget that they're also, famous for lights and stuff. This is really cool. Like, I haven't even turned it on yet. I'm just worried that it's a lightsaber or something. How do we make it? Probably something that needs to be, or it probably needs to be charged, maybe. Oh, look at this. This reminds me of like a Roku remote, kind of. But it has this little turn wheel here where we've got like the light, and then this. Oh, this is like the wide beam. This is the Kamehameha. And then we have the ultraviolet. Okay, that's cool. So where's the charge thing for it? Probably underneath here. Surely it's got enough juice to... Oh, it's a laser pointer. Oh, cool. Oh, I can't let my kids get anywhere near this. Okay, so here's the... okay. So you hold that down. It's got the stepped, right? Go back to this, and you have the ultraviolet. That's actually really cool. Neat. I like that. I like that a lot. That's very cool. Okay, well, I'm keeping this. This is definitely one of the coolest flashlights that I've gotten to play with on this channel. But the 3-in-1 is really neat. Not a lot keeping the switch dedicated. Like there's not a lot of... It wouldn't take a lot of resistance to accidentally switch it over to the light mode. But definitely cool. Okay. Well, is it one click and it turns it off? Yeah, okay. And then it shows your battery level right there. That is pretty nifty for sure. And is this made out of the same stuff, I wonder? I bet it is. Boy, look at that micro texturing on the side. Sorry, my thumbs are gross. Should we zoom in so that we can get a good look at that? Oh boy, that is... Are you like me? Is this visually appealing to you? I don't know why I like continuous patterns. There's something about it that just brings me joy and happiness. It's nice to the touch, too. Very, very nice. Okay. Well, that's it. That was a weird unboxing. This really is a lot tougher than I thought it would be. I know for a fact that if I had done that to hard coat anodized aluminum, that it would mark it up substantially more. I'm trying to see if I have something here that I wouldn't mind doing that to. I literally don't have anything out here in aluminum. But yeah, something, made out of type 3 hard coat anodized aluminum is definitely going to get marked up a lot faster. So I'm not sure exactly what the material is. I would venture to guess it is... I don't know. I'm guessing. I literally have no information on that. Is it aluminum? It's just a special grade of aluminum, and this is also a hard coat anodizing? I don't know. But it seems to be tough. So that's pretty cool. Maybe we'll see more of that in the future. Okay. That's going to be it today, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. There's the card right here. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. If you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.